Hi, it's Sherry, Fabric of Memories. I'm doing a swap with a lady, and we're just kind of doing it between ourselves. We met on a Facebook craft group, but I wanted to show you this because it's one I've never made like this before. It's a single signature journal. So it turned out pretty cool. I'm kind of happy with it. It's just the cover is a cereal box covered with cardstock or pattern paper. And it's a 2-hole pamphlet stitch, and I just put some little beads in there. Closed up with the lace. And this is just 8.5 by 11 paper folded in half to make the signatures. This is paper, it looks like real clouds, and she lives kind of out where there's, she's not in the city, she's out in the suburbia there that has the clouds, so she's probably going to like that. And I didn't know what she likes. We just said make it. We didn't say I want this, I want that, or I like this, or I like that. So we just said, you know what, make it how you would like it, and we'll just swap it, kind of thing. So I just pulled stuff. Just because I don't like it doesn't mean someone else isn't going to like it. If it looks nice, people are going to like it. So I just had some little Bible verses from the daily devotionals. This is the guitar with the for a pocket page, and I used this little punch to make the border punch. Plain hand of deck, just regular cards from the dollar store, make a good hand out of them, and it's a tuck spot there. Washi tape this envelope to the page, added the lace and this little rhinestone stuff, and I put this in here just to make it look nice. This covers up where the adhesive is on the envelope, where you lick it, to full seal it. And then there's a journal page, and a little tab at the end. Little pocket that I made. Just cut the piece of paper, fold this up, fold this down, you got a pocket. And decorated with some stamps that came off of a page. And this is another pocket back here. And the fun thing about it is, see, I've got the lace there and the lace here. It shows like that, but you can still write plenty on one page, or you can tear it in half if you want 2 different pages. So a lot of things. My point was to make a lot of things for her to use without knowing how she likes to use things, but maybe, multi-duty there. This is just a doily for a tuck spot, little envelope. I bought these at AliExpress, but I'm going to take one apart and use it as a pattern, and then I will have the little envelope for myself. And that goes in there. These are the little 3x2 Ziploc baggies. They open up here. I put a piece of paper in there to write on about whatever it is you put in there. Just a pocket page with 3 different kinds of papers. Lined paper, this says memo, and it's a graph, and there's a graph. Little ad thing from the devotional. This is a bag they give us at this local hardware store, Orchard Supply. And I just taped it on there and put a journal card inside. Another tab. And these, I like these flip pages, so that really looks nice. You can put on it if you want. You don't have to, but then you flip it over. Writing space. I did this little, I found these on Pinterest. Little envelope. Put that in there. Just gonna like that. And then, Panda Express. I don't really, I like one food item there. So but this is a little pack that the fortune cookies come in, so I kept that, cleaned it, fixed it so it made a pocket, and got little journal tags in here. Again, that's one of these things that you take what you have and figure out how to use it. And these I just cut pieces of the paper to make the border. Vellum, I really like working with vellum. Made it a pocket. This is another envelope that I put in here with little pages to write on. And the envelope, I just washi taped it. Well, this is duct tape, actually, decorative duct tape, dollar store. And it's a regular envelope. The doily makes a tuck spot. That's a journal card. You open it, and another tuck spot with some journal cards in here. And then you open it here and pull this out, and here's your big journal card. So there's a lot of things that can be done with that page. And this is another thing. You just take a piece of paper, fold it in half, or in this case I folded it halfway up to make a pocket. And then you'll see on this side, we'll see when we get there. It's easy. And then you fold it, and then you just put it in as a signature page, and you've got this to do whatever, and you got the pocket. And this is just a, you know, I distressed it to look old. 1979 is pretty old. I just tagged to make a flip spot, and then here's another one of these little. These are pretty cool too. You just cut a strip of paper, fold the corner ends inside like that. Roll this up. You got a lot of journaling space without taking up a lot of space on the page, so you have more space to do things with. Little tuck spot down here. I always want to do signatures. I take the middle, this is embroidery floss, variegated in color, and put little beads on the end so that is hanging instead of just stray ends. There's a little note that I wrote to her about it. And this is also another, you take the page, fold this one side over just a little bit, double-sided sticky tape, and you have a nice pocket. And this is another one of those distressed pages from another book. And I try to read what I'm putting here and have, so it's nice, not talking about somebody killing somebody or something terrible or somebody's pouring out tears of crying or whatever. Something nice, and she was talking about the fairyland that they made in the woods or something. And so that's just a journal card. This is the other half of that page, pocket page. Another, see, this is, I cut this out of a book. I don't remember where it came from, probably a cooking book, and just put it right there, everything in its place, and it's the pocket. I like also using the dictionary and highlighting words. This one says, what does this one say? Butterfly. I happen to have a punch of a butterfly, and I just highlighted it just for the looks. And this is the page. I just folded the page in half so I can make a pocket page over here. And another song out of an old hymnal, corner pocket. And then this is just, she can keep this if she wants, or glue over it, or do something, but just to show there's a pocket there. Put that over there like that. And another one, if I remember right, she likes birds, or has a lot of birds, so this was just a greeting card. I cut the back half that had whatever writing was on it, so it's a nice journaling card for the birds that she likes. And another pocket page, just ledger paper. Everybody kind of likes the old green ledger pages, so that's in there. And I bought a box of little mini jigsaw pieces and just glued them on there. It's kind of different, fun, you know, but again, 59 cents at the thrift store, and I got 500 little embellishment pieces. And this page is a little bag, washi taped it, put a little note from the daily devotional, little glitter, lace on the front, again double pages, space to write but only on one page, and then this is stuck onto the bag. And then again another one of these little Ziploc baggies for to put something in, and this is a doily for a tuck spot, same thing on the back. So that's pretty cool. If you get the doily, it's, you know, do one page and you have it done twice. You just put it on there and glue this, and you got that page, and you got that page, and you're done. And here I just added this at the back for a little pocket for something extra. So that's it, and it goes with the ribbon closure. So this is my first single signature journal, and I hope my friend likes it. And tells me how she uses it. So that's that. So thanks for watching. If you want to follow more of my videos, just click to subscribe, and then click the little bell next to it, and it'll notify you anytime I post a new journal or a new video. Mostly journals. I also do quiet books if you want to look at that. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and got some good ideas. Bye.